Giving up on trading is not the option, guys. It's 2025. Trump is the president of the US, and this is the time that you should start trading and taking trading very seriously, guys. So, most of you guys may feel like giving up after 2 years or 3 years in the markets, and I understand, guys. Trading is very difficult, but like the way that is difficult, or you make it very difficult for yourself just because you move from strategy to strategy, not knowing that trading is 90% psychology and 10% technicals. So most of you guys, what you do is that you move from strategy to strategy, and by that time is not waiting for you guys, just because the markets are always evolving to a point whereby each and every time there is a new thing coming, there is a new robot, there is a new indicator, there is a new strategy, there is a new support and resistance, but like called in a different way, whereby they need you guys to get like those courses, just because most people make money using courses, guys. So without wasting any time, let's get into the nitty-gritty details of everything that I'm about to unpack today for you not to give up in your trading. So guys, basically what you need to understand is that you need to learn the skill, whereby you need to make sure that you learn your craft to a point whereby you understand yourself as a trader, you understand your system as a trader, and then by doing that, you need to be back testing each and every time. That will help you not to give up, so that you can see the results like in play, guys, in motion. You can just use trading view, or you can just use something else, just because there's a lot of back testing systems out there, but like I recommend using like trading view, even though like there is not much to use like on trading you just have to like write out all the RRs manually, but like that will help you to know your strategy like the back of your hand, guys. And secondly, you need to master yourself as a person, whereby you understand that whenever you place like a big lot size on your account, let's say maybe you have like $100 account, guys, you place maybe a 0.50 lot on gold, you already know that you're going to check your phone each and every minute, checking if the trade is in profits or it's in losses. And then most of the time you'll think that you no longer want the profits, you just want to close the trade at break even, so that your account can be just $100. By that time your account is at like minus 90 USD or 80 USD, just because you don't understand like the concept of risk management, the concept of managing your emotions. And then the concept of managing your risk management and emotions comes back to the point whereby you have your psychological capital, and then you also have your trading capital, guys. So you need to manage all of them in simultaneously, so that you can get like proper trades in the markets. So that is another thing that you need to understand when it comes to trading, just because if you place like a bigger lot, like I've already seen like myself, guys, like if I place like a big lot size in the markets, whereby I place like one lot or two lots, then I end up like crashing out, whereby I am shaking, just because the market is not your friend, guys. The market is not your friend. But like you need to make sure that you master that, and then after mastering that, you'll see that trading is a bit easy, just because if like you place a 0.05 or a 0.02 in your trading account, then you don't have stress. You won't have stress. You can even forget the trade, and then when you come back, your account is doubled just because you left the trade for like 2 or 3 days. That is trading, guys. And then most people do not understand that trading is more of holding your positions a bit longer, unlike getting in and out of the markets trying to be a guru or something. And then focusing on a few pairs is also a good thing that will help you not to give up, just because you'll be focusing on one setup, whereby you won't be like undisciplined, just because you're focusing on two setups. Let's say maybe you like Euro USD, GBP USD, and gold, and then the DXY will be a add-on, just because DXY works with all the pairs that I talked about, guys. Now you use correlations, so you won't be giving up anytime soon in your forex trading. And then most importantly, guys, journaling your trades. And then this video is not scripted, guys. I'm just saying each and everything that I know, and then each and everything that I have experienced in my own trading. So do not get it wrong, guys. If I'm going like all over the place, just understand that I'm just trying to get my message out there, so that you can get to learn from my mistakes, guys. Now, so basically, guys, you should not be giving up on your trading. And most importantly, guys, support is everything when it comes to the markets. You need someone that can support you, not financially but like emotionally, whereby they guide you, they support you like in your dream, whereby you want to be a professional trader, you want to get like max allocation at FTMO or funded next. So you need someone that can be like a shoulder to cry on, or someone that you can be accountable with, whereby you tell them all your mistakes that you did and then they hold you accountable, even if like it's not a trader, but like someone that can guide you in the right way. Just because someone who trades and someone who does not trade can just give like each other advices when it comes to money, just because money is like one language. Even if you are from Spain, Mexico, money is money, guys, even if the currencies are different, but like money is money. So I hope this video, you got like something from this video, even though it's all over the place. And yeah, I'll see you on another video. Peace and love.